Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best grip strengthener is probably one of the most underrated pieces of fitness equipment out there. Whether you're an athlete looking to improve your performance, a musician needing to build finger strength, or someone recovering from an injury, having a strong grip is essential. In this video, we'll dive into the top grip strengtheners on the market, helping you find the perfect tools to build your hand and forearm strength. Number 5. Pnrskter Hand Grip Strengthener 6 PCS. This hand grip strengthener is made of high-quality silicone, ensuring durability and safety. It's also washable, making it easy to keep clean for frequent use. This set is designed for maximum performance. The set includes 6 different resistance levels, from gentle to tough. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts looking to strengthen their grip. This allows for easy hand exercises and accelerates recovery. This product helps strengthen wrists and improve finger dexterity. It enhances grip muscles and reduces fatigue. It's great for anyone looking to improve their hand strength. It's beneficial for those with conditions like carpal tunnel and tendinitis. It can also aid in recovery from wrist injuries. This product is designed to help with rehabilitation and prevention. Suitable for all ages and hand sizes, it fits comfortably in your hand. It's compact and portable, so you can use it anywhere. This makes it your ultimate portable workout companion. You'll receive 3 finger stretchers and 3 hand grips. Enjoy an 18-month post-sale service. Try it, and you'll love it. What we like. This hand grip strengthener offers a range of resistance levels, perfect for progressive training. It's made from durable silicone, ensuring long-lasting use. If you're looking for a portable solution to improve your grip strength and finger dexterity, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great product and I've definitely noticed improvements in my grip and finger strength. I have always struggled opening jars and it's shocking how much easier it is after a few hand exercises a day. Pnrskter Hand Grip Strengthener is a great tool for improving grip strength and relieving hand fatigue. The different resistance levels make it suitable for various exercises, and the comfortable silicone material is a nice touch. It's compact and easy to use, though I wish the higher resistance levels were a bit more challenging. Overall, it's a solid product for hand and forearm workouts. I used these after I was recovering from carpal tunnel surgeries on both wrists, and they helped me immensely. I really think they improved my grip strength more quickly than would have happened if I didn't have them. Number 4. ROYGRA Grip Strength Trainer 8-pack. This comprehensive kit includes hand exercise balls, grip rings, and finger stretchers. It's designed to help you improve your grip strength and overall hand dexterity. The design is suitable for all ages and hand sizes. It's portable and lightweight, so you can take it anywhere. Made of high-quality, eco-friendly silicone, it's safe, durable, and washable. You can use them continuously without worry, enjoying long-lasting benefits. With multiple resistance levels, it allows you to periodize your training. It helps increase grip strength and develop your forearms, suitable for all fitness levels. It's perfect for rock climbing, fitness, and various sports. It's also great for those suffering from arthritis or who engage in repetitive typing. The package includes hand exercise balls, grip rings, finger stretchers, a storage bag, an instruction manual, and a gift box. Everything you need is included. What we like. This grip strength trainer includes a variety of tools, offering a complete hand workout. It's designed for all ages and hand sizes, making it a versatile option. If you are looking for a comprehensive set for various needs, this is the one for you. What people say. It's an inexpensive set of hand, wrist and forearm exercise devices that can provide a good workout. Their softer materials make it more comfortable to use. Excellent for exercise. The assortment of products he finds very useful. This package has both of those tools and even some exercise rings, which are new to me. I tried them out and found that I prefer them over the squeeze eggs for strengthening my grip. They give all my fingers a nice workout. The stretch bands work well for building up my extensor muscles as well. They are exactly what I needed for this exercise. Number 3. Grip Strength Trainer Kit, Muscle Building and Recovery. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to build hand and forearm strength. It features an adjustable hand gripper, finger exerciser, stress relief ball, and forearm workout ring. This set is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. Designed for comfort and durability, this grip trainer is made with high-quality materials. Its compact design makes it easy to take with you, whether you're at home, the office, or the gym. The textured handle ensures a secure grip during your workouts. This grip training device is suitable for all hand sizes and fitness levels. The ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable grip for both men and women, as well as seniors and teenagers. It's a great tool for anyone looking to improve their hand strength. This kit is perfect for athletes and anyone looking to improve their grip strength. It's beneficial for weightlifting, rock climbing, and many other sports. It can also help musicians and office workers relieve stress and improve their hand health. This grip trainer is also a valuable tool for physical therapy and rehabilitation. It can help with conditions like arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, and tendinitis. Using it can alleviate pain and stiffness, aiding in recovery and improving overall hand function. What we like. This kit features an adjustable hand exerciser, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. It includes a variety of tools for a complete hand workout. If you need a versatile and adjustable kit for muscle building and injury recovery, consider this. What people say. Each tool in the kit feels sturdy and comfortable to use. It's perfect for improving grip, finger, and forearm strength, great for athletes, gym goers, or even daily hand workouts. The adjustable tension on the gripper makes it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Each piece targets different hand and forearm muscles, making it perfect for a full grip workout. The hand gripper is adjustable so I can increase resistance as I get stronger. The finger stretcher is great for balancing out gripping muscles, and the stress ball is perfect for quick squeezes at my desk. The ring and the egg are also well made and add nice variety. Everything feels durable and comfortable to use. Number 2. Hand Therapy Squeeze Balls, set of 4. This set includes 4 exercise balls with varying resistance levels. They are perfect for arthritic hands, helping to build strength gently. This set supports recovery without causing pain or further injury. Each set comes with a detailed booklet. It provides 16 exercises to enhance finger and wrist strength. This is perfect for at-home rehabilitation. These hand balls are designed to restore mobility. They are ideal for various conditions, including rheumatoid arthritis and carpal tunnel. The balls can also aid recovery after surgery or a stroke. Made from premium composite silicone, these therapy balls are built to last. They have a lightly textured exterior for a secure grip. The balls are designed to retain their shape even with frequent use. These squeeze balls are perfect for adults and children needing rehabilitation or anxiety relief. It's a great gift to motivate anyone recovering from injury or dealing with hand mobility issues. What we like. This set includes 4 exercise balls with varying resistance levels, perfect for progressive training. It also comes with a guidebook to help you with exercises. If you need a gentle and effective way to build hand strength, this is a great option. What people say. They are the size and shape of an egg, so will fit most hands. I like that they came with a booklet of exercises to strengthen and stretch your hand, fingers and wrists, some with using the eggs and some without. It came with a carrying bag for portability and storage. Number 1. FitBeast Finger Strengthener. This FitBeast Finger Strengthener is designed to improve hand flexibility, grip strength, and aid in rehabilitation. It's perfect for musicians, athletes, or anyone recovering from an injury. This exerciser helps enhance control and reduce joint stiffness. With 4 resistance levels, you can easily adjust the intensity to match your training goals. Whether you're in physical therapy or strength training, you can progressively increase the resistance as you improve. It's ideal for all training levels. You can train each finger separately or work your entire hand. Isolate specific fingers to increase strength and endurance, or perform a comprehensive hand workout. The design ensures a smooth, jam-free experience for every user. Featuring soft silicone grips and an ergonomic design, this finger strength trainer provides a secure and comfortable grip. Tailored for long-term use, it reduces strain and is ideal for physical therapy and daily hand exercises. Made from high-quality materials, this grip strength trainer is lightweight and easy to carry. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, the included carry bag makes it convenient to continue your training anywhere. It's perfect for anyone looking to strengthen their hands. What we like. This finger strengthener offers customizable resistance levels, allowing you to tailor your workout. It allows for individual finger training or full hand workouts. If you're a musician, athlete, or someone recovering from an injury, it's a great tool to improve dexterity and strength. What people say. The grip strengthener is well made and durable. The adjustable resistance levels are a great feature. The hand strengthener has helped improve my grip strength. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.